Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hello and welcome to our garden. If you're following our garden videos and our garden setup video, you've probably known that our plants are starting to produce and they're really big. Over here we have a delicious baby bitter melon. Here is a wild bed flower with a bunch of different flowers, such as cosmos, zinnia, marigold, and beautiful sunflowers. There are different colors too, and there are also two-toned sunflowers, which looks really beautiful. Sorrel, also known as sour, also known as Gongura, is a rich source of vitamins, iron, folic acid, and antioxidants. This leaf is widely used in South and Central Indian cuisine. This leaf is also used in African cuisine. We've planted about 5 seeds and the plants have grown very well. With lots of leaves, we are going to harvest these leaves and share one of our family's favorite recipes. Oh look, we have some hot peppers here. Let's also harvest these for our recipe. We are going to make Gongura rice powder. This is a spice blend that can be added with cooked white rice. This recipe is really easy to make and it'll also be very handy in case you are going outside. Let's begin with the recipe. For cleaning the leaves, to a mixing bowl, add some salt and cold water. Soak the leaves in for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove leaves from water and rinse in cold water and drain the excess water. Here is a list of ingredients to make this recipe. Urad dal, chana dal, coriander seeds, sesame seeds. You can use white or black sesame seeds, or you can use a combination of both. Black peppercorns, asafoetida, salt, fresh green chilies, fenugreek seeds, red chili, cumin seeds, sorrel leaf, heat a pan and dry roast each ingredient separately until golden brown. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, add in the chopped green chilies and saute for 2 minutes. Add sorrel leaves and saute for 2 minutes. Allow all the spices to cool completely. Transfer the cool spices to a mixer. Add salt for taste and grind into a fine powder. Heat a pan with sesame oil. Add in peanuts and roast until golden brown. Remove and set it aside. To the same oil, add in mustard seeds, fresh curry leaves, chana dal, urad dal, cashew nuts, and fry until golden brown. Toss in the roasted peanuts. Turn off the stove. Add the ground powder and mix everything well. Transfer to a sterilized container and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Here we have cooked some rice with turmeric powder. Simply add in the prepared Gongura powder to the cooked rice and mix well. Optionally, you can add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil if you prefer. Yummy, delicious Gongura rice powder is ready to enjoy. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!